Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 25. Which function of the wholesaler enables him to stabilize prices? A. Warehousing goods. B. Advertising the goods. C. Granting credit to retailers. D. Transporting goods. Now, the wholesaler is one or is part of the channel of distribution, and the wholesaler is basically described as a merchant who purchases goods in large quantities, that is from the producers, or manufacturer, and sells in small quantities to retailers. Now, one of the major functions or importance of the wholesaler is stabilization of prices, and he does this. He helps to stabilize prices or helps to prevent price fluctuation by stocking the goods until they are demanded. That is, he stocks the goods in a warehouse until they are demanded. So by this, he helps to stabilize prices or prevent price fluctuation. So stocking of goods until they are demanded is categorized as, or is described as, warehousing. So warehousing is that commercial activity that entails stocking of goods until they are demanded for before they are used. So this helps to stabilize prices, and as a function of the wholesaler, that is A, warehousing goods. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.